Hey guys, today I have a quick one for you, and it is how to fix a slow cursor or trackpad on your laptop. And of course, this might also apply to desktops, so you can actually apply this. Now, I'll try to describe the issue I was having and how I was able to fix it. All right. So sometimes you start up your computer, and as soon as you start up your computer, and I'll try to recreate the problem here. When you try to move the cursor, for example, this cursor is just fixed now. As you see, it moves pretty quickly across the screen. Notice my fingers, it glides, and notice the speed of the cursor. As you can notice, my fingers moving back and forth. Now this is normal movement. I can easily move from one extreme of the screen to the other, up, down, back and forth. Now when this issue is happening, what happens is that I might be moving my fingers very fast, but of course the cursor is just barely moving. It's so slow. It takes very long to move from one end of the screen to the next or anywhere. It makes it very difficult. For example, if I wanted to open this folder, it would take like very long, and I would have to be like back forth, and to be moving very slow. So I'll show you how to fix this on any Windows 11 PC. Applies to older and newer devices as well. All right, so the thing that works for me straight off the bat is that if you are having this issue, carefully try to move your cursor to the start menu here. If it's taking too long to move the cursor, go ahead and hit Windows key. And once you hit Windows key, the menu will show up. You can next hit tab that's there. And notice when I hit tab off screen, notice it's moving like this, and keep moving tab until it selects the area over here. Then you can try using the arrow keys that's right there to move and select. Now your aim is to move the tab keys until you're in this area here, so you can try to access the power menu. If you cannot use the tab keys to select the power menu, simply take your time, and what you're going to do is you're going to select the power option here, and you're going to go to shutdown. Now notice here you're going to select the shutdown option. If you select restart, it will not work. I've tried that. Restarting will only result in the problem reoccurring. You want to do a total cold boot, so hit shutdown completely. So you're going to go ahead and do a complete shutdown. Of course, the PC is going to go into shutdown mode. Now what's going to happen, the PC is going to restart, and once it powers back up from a cold boot, you'll have to press power. If the PC automatically restarts, this will not work, so go ahead and press power button to restart the PC. Now there's some quick notes. The reason why this happens in most cases is because, of course, it might be a case where your software has been on for so long, and you may have just closed down the lid each time and opened the lid. So your PC might have an uptime that's very high, meaning it's been on for days. And of course, by doing this, what happens is that it's able to fully power cycle. So go ahead and power back on your PC. Once you power back up your PC as normal, you should be good. So of course, I'll show you another thing you can look for as well. All right, so another thing that you can look for as well to help with this is to, and of course this is fixed, go ahead and do a search, and you're going to search for cursor speed. All right, so once you find mouse and keyboard speed settings, you'll be taken here, and of course the option should be around here somewhere. I will try to find it. All right, so go back to search. This is the exact term. I wasn't having much finding the settings, so go to change the mouse and pointer display or speed. So go ahead and tap, and of course you'll be taken to mouse properties, and here you go. It's usually here, which is in the middle. Slow would mean something is wrong, so if it's off with slow, go ahead and select the midpoint. You don't really need fast, as the intermediate option works pretty well. So if you're here, just go ahead and select the intermediate option, or make sure these settings are correct as mine, and go ahead and apply. Mine is already okay, and hit OK. So just in case it's a matter of the settings on your device, if you do those things, you should be good again. And that's how you fix the issue where your PC is very unresponsive in terms of the mouse speed or the trackpad speed. Do hope this was helpful. As always, recorded from Blog Tech Tips. Say bye until next time. Bye.